John from Crafted Elements here with mini version of me, and wasn't planning on doing a video today, but he's here insisting that we do a project. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing this project.
Oh, you're doing this project? What is this?
To that tiny right there.
Okay.
It's a mouth. What's that?
It's a mouth, okay. We have our brand new wine and cheese tray mold, or wine and whatever hors d'oeuvres, appetizers you want to put in there. It's a very, very cool mold suggested by one of our customers. Okay, just stay with me if you have no idea what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab some Total Boat resin. He's going to pick some colors. We'll see how that turns out. Oh, you're already on there. Okay, he's on his way. Going to get some colors. Like this one probably will end up being. Okay, good. Head over to craftedelements.com and you can get a mold like this. And before anybody is sounding the alarm, I got these giant fans. I've got a big garage door open. I got a brand new shop here. We're gonna have some excellent ventilation. So, are you ready to get started? Okay, good. The white on that side, we can do it together.
I want to do this.
You want to do this one? Okay, you ready? 1, 2. You pour on this side, okay? 3. Oh, okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, we'll use all of it. Very cool.
Can't we dry it?
Well, we have to wait for a day or two for it to dry. And then we'll take it out in the next couple of days, okay? Okay, our resin is now fully set. I am down my little helper. Good thing or a bad thing, it's kind of hard to be productive when he's around, but of course they're only young once, so I kind of enjoy it, well, can. But I'm gonna pop out this thing, and remember he chose his colors as black and white, but it actually looks pretty cool. I have to admit, this whole fade from black to white to gray. And there you go. That is a beautiful wine and cheese serving tray type deal. Wine glass slides in here, and then you can carry it around with your thumb, hole. You put your crackers or your hors d'oeuvres or whatever cheese in this little tray area, and you walk around with it like a boss. Oh, not spilling your wine, hopefully. Anyway, if you want to make some of these for the very busy upcoming holiday season, you can get this mold at craftedelements.com, along with the other 150 bajillion molds that we currently offer. Thanks for watching. Happy making. Let's go make some wine trays. See you guys.